Hi guys, it's Sam for the Bodycentre here. Look what we have on site today. Bentley GT Supersports. Now this monster has travelled all the way down from Bentley Cambridge just for Team Bodycentre to perform our magic. So what we're going to be doing to this vehicle is fitting newer style Bentley Supersports wings with a big vent coming down the side. Give it much more of an aggressive look. While the vehicle's on site, we're also going to be painting all 4 calipers in a lime green. Let's take it into the workshop. So the Bentley is almost finished in the strip stage. Because we're fitting the new wings and the vehicle is a metallic colour, we have to blend into the doors and also blend into the bonnet to make sure the colour is absolutely perfect. Now Nelly's not in a good mood because these Bentleys are awfully hard to strip down. So are you having fun, Nell?
They're a lovely car, but they're hard to strip.
Keep going, you're doing a good job. So, Nelly's took these calipers off the car. As I explained at the start, these are going lime green. The Bentley emblem on the front, I've got to touch that up in a high gloss black, so I need to get my steady hand up. So, the Bentley's down at the prep shop. All the parts have been stripped off necessary. James Dale, the best looking guy in Norwich, is now prepping the vehicle down ready for the paint application. I've got the 2 different style wings here. Let me show you the difference. The Bentley's all bagged up in the booth. Adam is now mixing up the colour. We're now going to apply the base coat, let the base coat dry, apply the lacquer, put it on bake, move to the fit up stage. Guys, 6 AM on a Tuesday morning, it's collection day. The Bentley GT Supersports is now complete. As you've seen from the video, the wings have been fitted, painted the bonnet, painted obviously the new wings, blended into the doors due to the colour, and the calipers have been painted in a lime green. Really, really works. When I first heard what colour they were going, I wasn't too sure, but now, it looks absolutely brilliant. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. We'll see you guys next time. Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. I hope you enjoyed this video and I really hope you're enjoying our complete YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please click that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our up and coming projects. Thank you, speak to you guys soon.